Welcome to Work International Networking event. My name is Fran Andia, and I am the Human Resources Manager at Global Technology Company. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Good morning, Mr. Fromm. It's a pleasure to meet you as well. My name is Emilson Sanchez Yayes. I am Peruvian and I am currently studying industrial engineer.
Could you tell me about your academic background?
Of course, I am studying industrial engineer at UTP University. I have taken course on workplace safety, process management, and quality control. I also have certification in Microsoft Excel and workplace safety.
That's great. What professional skill do you have?
I excellence in leadership and teamwork. I always like to help my colleagues. I have the ability to solve problems. In addition, I have technical knowledge in process improvement and safety management. All of the experiences has taken me far.
Our company is looking for a team leader. Are you interested in this position?
Yes, I'm very interesting because I enjoy leading teams and helping people achieve their goals. I believe I can contribute great deals, primarily responsibility, commitment, and continuous improvement to your prestigious company.
Why do you think you're a good candidate for this position?
First, because I am a responsible person. I'm eager to learn. Second, in communicate effectively with others and always look for solutions to problems. Finally, all of tag in fundamental for a company.
Thank you for your answers, Enilson. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you very much for your time and for this opportunity. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Have a good day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.